Ever feel like you spend half of lifetime online clicking through clunky website? Well, what if you could get paid to find those flaws and make the internet a better place? That's right. Website testing is a real thing, and it can be a great way to earn some extra cash or even build a side hustle. Hi, my name is called Moses Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Now, before we dive in, ditch the spam. Looking for a legit work from home opportunity? Life World offers hourly social media gigs. Check out the link in the description. Now let's get down to business. Here are the top 5 websites that you can get paid to test websites. The first one on our list is called Tester Work. This is a great platform for beginners. They offer a variety of testing projects with a varying level of complexity, and the payout generally ranges from $5 to $20 per test. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then type in this website name. The website name is called testerwork.com. Then finish up sign up process and then start testing websites here to get paid. Now the next website that pays people to test their website is called Userlytics. This platform connects businesses with everyday people like you to test their websites and apps. They offer various testing projects, and the requirement here is that you need to have a laptop and a reliable internet connection, and anybody can join. Now the payout ranges from $10 to $90 per test. User testing is another popular option that focuses on short video recordings, where you share your thoughts and experience while navigating the website. Now, tests here usually takes 10 to 20 minutes, and the requirement here is that you need to have a laptop and a high-speed internet connection. And the cool thing with this website is that it has a user-friendly dashboard, and the payout ranges from around $10 per test. Now the next website that you can be paid is called Testing Time. Here you can participate in a live website testing session with other users. These sessions are usually moderated, and the payout can be anywhere from $50 to $90 per hour. Now the next website that you can get paid to test websites is called TryMatter. Now the requirement with TryMatter is that you need to have a laptop and a high-speed internet, and the payout ranges from $5 to $30 per test. The payment method here is weekly via PayPal, and mostly the test here takes around 5 minutes to 20 minutes. Now the next website is called Userfill. It is similar to user testing. Userfill focuses on short videos and recordings of your website testing experience. And the cool thing with Userfill is that they offer competitive rates with payouts typically ranging from $5 to $20 per test. The last one but not the least is called UserBrain. This is a platform that pays its users to test websites. Here you will be asked to record a qualification test, and they will review your videos. Once approved, you will start receiving paid tests here on this website. So there you have it. The chance to improve the web while earning some extra cash. Which website will you try first? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome work from home content to come. So we have come to the end of the video. Until the next time, God bless you. Bye.